Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic fractions. Let's look back. Identify the fraction of the colored objects in each set, then circle the correct option box. Now, total are 4 and 3 are colored, that is 3 by 4. Next is total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 6 are colored, 6 by 9. Next is total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 are colored, that is 4 by 5. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 are colored, that is 3 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 and 3 are colored, that is 3 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 5 are colored, that is 5 by 6. Now fractions. We have already learned that when an object or a group of objects is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. Whole 1 upon 1, 1 half 1 by 2, 1/3 1 by 3, 1/4 1 by 4. Here 1 half, 1/3 and 1/4 are fractional numbers, represent as 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 respectively. Each fraction is written with two numbers, one above the other, separated by a dividing line. The number above the line is the numerator and the number below the line is the denominator. The numerator indicates the total number of parts being considered, while the denominator shows into how many equal parts the whole is divided. For example, in the fraction 5 upon 6, 5 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. It is read as 5 by 6 or 5 upon 6 or 5/6. Now think. How many quarters are there in a whole? 4 quarters. Now next is think and do. Complete the given table. One part has been done for you. Now total parts 4, shaded parts 2, fraction is 2 by 4, 2 by 4 or 2 upon 4 or 2/4. Next is total 4 parts, shaded is 3, that is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 or 3 upon 4 or 3/4. Now next total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are colored. So 5 by 8. 5 by 8. 5 upon 8. 5/8. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8 and 6 are colored. 6 by 8. 6 by 8, 6 upon 8, 6/8. Now equivalent fractions. Fractions that represent the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Now here 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 represent equivalent fractions. Let us understand this with an example. Imagine you have a whole pizza and you divide it into two equal parts. If you take one of these parts, you have half of the pizza. Now imagine you have another identical pizza, but this time you divide it into 4 equal parts. If you take two of these parts, you have 2 by 4 of the pizza. Even though the fraction looks different, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, they represent the same amount of pizza. Therefore 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. We can use a simple trick called cross multiplication to see if two fractions are equivalent or not. Now first, multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, that is 1 into 4 is equals to 4. Then multiply the denominator of the first fraction by the numerator of the second fraction, that is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Now third, compare the two products. Since both products obtained are the same, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent fractions. If the two products are the same, the fractions are equivalent. If they are different, the fractions are not equivalent. Now example 1, check whether 5 by 6 and 10 by 12 are equivalent. Solution: 5 by 6 and 10 by 12 On cross multiplication, 5 multiplied by 12 is 60, 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Since both the products obtained are the same, so 5 by 6 and 10 by 12 are equivalent fractions. Now next is learn with fun. Look at each pair of shapes. Determine the fraction represented by the shaded portion of the first shape. Shade the portions of the second shape to make them equivalent to the first shape's fraction. Write the fraction for each shaded portion in the boxes provided. One has been done for you. Now 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8 and 6 are colored. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 3 by 4. 3 we have to color. Now next is 1, 2, 3. 1 upon 3. Now 1 upon 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 2 are colored. 2 by 6. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5. 4 are colored. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 8 are colored. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 are colored. Now next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6 and 4 are colored. Now total is 3 and 2 are colored. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total is 12 and 9 are colored. Now next total is 4 and 3 I have to colored. 3 by 4. These are equivalent fractions. Now building equivalent fractions. We can get the equivalent fractions of any given fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by a common number other than 0 and 1. Now example 1. Find two equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 by multiplication. Solution: 2 by 3 both are multiplied by 2, we get 4 by 6. Now 2 by 3 multiplied by 3, both numerator and denominator, we get 6 by 9. Thus 4 by 6 and 6 by 9 are the two equivalent fractions of 2 by 3. We can also get the equivalent fractions of any given fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by a common number. For example, example 2, find an equivalent fraction of 6 by 9 by division. Solution: 6 by 9 both divided by 3, numerator and denominator, we get 2 by 3. Thus 2 by 3 is equivalent to 6 by 9. Now next example 3, find the missing numerator or denominator of the given equivalent fractions. Now A part is 2 by 7 is equals to 6 upon missing. Solution: 2 by 7 and 6 upon. Here 2 and 6 are the numerator of equivalent fractions. 6 divided by 2 gets 3. Therefore, multiply the numerator and denominator of 2 by 7 by 3. When we multiply both by 3, we get 6 by 21. Thus, 2 by 7 is equals to 6 by 21. Now, B part, missing fraction upon 6 is equals to 10 by 12. Here, 6 and 12 are the denominators of the equivalent fraction. Now 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. Therefore, divide the numerator and denominator of 10 by 12 by 2. When we divide it by 2, we get 5 by 6. Thus, 5 by 6 is equals to 10 by 12. Now, in text exercise 1, question number 1, write the fractions for the following. A part. Now, total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total parts and 3 are colored. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट वुड बी द इक्वल पार्ट्स इन द फॉलोइंग कलेक्शन. नाउ ए पार्ट 1/6 ऑफ 60 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1/6 ऑफ 60. 6 1 जा 6, 6 1 जा 6, 0 दैट इज 10. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, मैच द इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ फर्स्ट ए पार्ट इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 by 8 that is equals to this 3 by 4. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, चेक वेदर द गिवन फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्विवेलेंट और नॉट. ए पार्ट 2 by 5 and 4 by 10. नाउ 2 multiplied by 10 that is equals to 20 and 5 multiplied by 4 is also equals to 20. That means they are equivalent fractions. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next question number 5. Find and write the next 3 equivalent fractions of the following fractions using multiplication. Now A part 3 by 8. 3 by 8 multiply by 2. Both are multiplied by 2, that is equals to 6 by 16. 3 by 8 multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. 3 by 8 multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 8 4s are 32. These are the equivalent fractions of 3 by 8. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Write the missing numerator or denominator in these equivalent fractions. Now A part 1 by 4 that is equals to 5 upon 1 multiply by 5 is equals to 5 and 4 multiply by 5 4 5s are 20. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रिड्यूसिंग अ फ्रैक्शन टू द लोवेस्ट टर्म. A fraction is in its lowest term when the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. This means that we cannot divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number anymore. Let us understand this with an example. Now, example 1. Reduce 15 by 25 to its lowest term. Now, solution. Find the factors of the numerator and the denominator. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 24 are 1, 5 and 25. Therefore, the common factor of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Now, divide the fraction by the highest common factor, that is 5. Now, 15 by 25 is divided by 5, both numerator and denominator, we get 3 by 5. It is the lowest term of 15 by 25. Now, next in text exercise 2. Question number 1. Reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. A part 45 divided by 60. So both are divided by 15. 3 upon 4 that is the lowest term. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस देन रिड्यूस द फ्रैक्शंस टू देयर लोएस्ट टर्म इफ पॉसिबल. ए पार्ट 5 of 10 lollipops that is 5 upon 10. Both are divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. That is the लोवेस्ट टर्म. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. फर्स्ट इज like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominator are called like fractions. 1 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 8 by 7 are some like fractions. Now 5 by 6 and 3 by 6 both have same denominator 6, so they are like fractions. Now unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Like 3 by 7, 2 by 8, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6 are some unlike fractions. Example 5 by 8 and 2 by 9, different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. Now next is proper fractions. Fractions whose numerator are smaller than denominators are called proper fractions. For example 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, smaller numerator and larger denominator, and 11 by 13, 2 by 7, 4 by 9 and 1 upon 14 are some proper fractions. Now improper fractions. Fractions whose numerator are greater than or equal to the denominators are called improper fractions. Example 8 by 5, 3 by 7, larger numerator, smaller denominator. Now unit fractions. Fractions that have 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 6 are some unit fractions. Example 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Both the fractions have 1 as numerator. Now next is mixed fractions. Fractions that combine a whole number with a proper fraction are called mixed fractions. These fractions are always greater than 1. For example 11 by 10 that is 10 by 10 plus 1 upon 10 that is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 10 that is equals to 1 is to 1 upon 10. 1 is the whole number and 1 by 10 is the fractional part. Now 9 by 2 is 2 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is equals to 4 plus 1 by 2 is 4 is to 1 by 2. Now lock into your brain. First, numerator less than denominator, proper fraction. Next, numerator greater than denominator, improper fraction. It can be expressed as mixed fraction. Numerator is greater than or equals to denominator, improper fraction. Whole plus fraction is equals to mixed fraction. Now next is conversion of an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. We follow the given steps to convert the improper fraction 7 by 5 into a mixed fraction. Let us convert 7 by 5 into a mixed fraction. First, divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 divided by 5, that is equals to 1 with a remainder of 2. Now second, write the mixed fraction with the quotient 1 as the whole number part and the remainder 2 over the original denominator 5 as the proper fractional part. So 7 by 5 is expressed as 1:2 by 5. This is the quotient, this is the numerator and this is the original denominator. Now lock into your brain. Mixed fraction is equals to quotient is to remainder upon divisor. Now conversion of a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. We follow the given steps to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Let us convert 3:1 by 4 into an improper fraction. Now first, multiply the whole number part by the denominator, that is 3 4s are 12. Now add the numerator to the result obtained in the above step, that is 12 plus 1 is 13. Now write the obtained sum over the original denominator. So 3:1 by 4 is expressed as 13 by 4. Now think and do. Read the given fractions carefully and color the corresponding parts in each set. Then express the given fractions into mixed fractions. Now 21 by 8. So 21 by 8. 8 2s are 16 and 5 upon 8. That means 2 are completely colored and this one is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 are colored. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Thus the mixed fraction of 21 by 8 is 2:5 by 8. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next in text exercise 3. Question number 1. Classify the following into like and unlike fractions. Now first 3 by 7, 5 by 6, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 7 by 7 are like fractions and remaining are unlike fractions. Now question number 2, classify the following into proper and improper fraction. Now first 3 by 4, numerator is less than denominator, so it is proper fraction. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ थर्ड इज convert the following improper fractions into mixed fraction. Now a part 11 by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 3 is remainder upon 4. 2:3 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ए पार्ट 2:1 by 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मैच द फॉलोइंग columns. A part 2:2 by 3, that is equals to 2 complete and next 2 upon 3, that is matched with this. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is comparison of fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Since like fractions have the same denominator, we compare the numerator. The fraction with the larger numerator is the larger fraction. Now example 1. Compare the fractions 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. Which is larger? Solution. The numerator of 2 by 9 is 2 and the numerator of 5 by 9 is 5. Since 5 is greater than 2, so 5 by 9 is larger than 2 by 9. Now comparison of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. We first convert them to like fractions having the same denominator and then compare them. Let us understand this through an example. Now example 1. Compare the fractions 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. Solution. Since 3 by 4 and 2 by 3 are unlike fractions, find the LCM of their denominators. Here the denominators are 4 and 3 and their LCM is 12. Convert the fractions to equivalent fractions by making their denominator equal to the LCM. Now 3 by 4 is multiplied by 3, both numerator and denominator is equals to 9 by 12. 2 by 3 is multiplied by 4, both numerator and denominator, we get 8 by 12. Now The obtained fractions 9 by 12 and 8 by 12 are like fractions. Compare the numerators of these fractions. Since 9 is greater than 8, so 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Now, comparison of mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are compared by first compare the whole numbers. If the whole number are the same, then compare their fractional part. Let us understand this through a few examples. Example 1, compare 2 is to 1 by 3 and 3 is to 1 by 4. Now solution, compare the whole numbers of the mixed fractions. Here the whole numbers are 2 and 3. Since 2 is less than 3, so 2 is to 1 by 3 is less than 3 is to 1 by 4. Now example 2, compare 2 is to 1 by 3 and 2 is to 2 by 5. Now solution, here the whole numbers are the same, so compare their fractional parts. Since 1 by 3 and 2 by 5 are unlike fractions, find the LCM of their denominators. The LCM of the denominators 3 and 5 is 15. Convert the unlike fractions to equivalent fraction. 1 by 3 multiplied by 5, it becomes 5 by 15. 2 by 5 multiplied by 3, it becomes 6 by 15. The obtained fractions 5 by 15 and 6 by 15 are like fractions. Now compare the numerators of these fractions. Since 5 is less than 6, so 2 is to 1 by 3 is less than 2 is to 2 by 5. Now comparison of unit fractions. In case of unit fractions, we compare the denominators. The fractions with the larger denominator is the smaller fraction. Example 1, compare 1 by 6 and 1 by 2. Now solution, 1 by 2 has smaller denominator compared to 1 by 6. Since the fraction with the larger denominator is the smaller fraction, 1 by 2 is the larger fraction, thus 1 by 6 is less than 1 by 2. Now next is ordering of fractions. Now that we have learned how to compare fractions, let us learn to arrange them in ascending and descending orders. Now ordering of like fractions. Example 1, arrange 9 by 15, 2 by 15, 7 by 15, 11 by 15 and 13 by 15 in ascending and descending orders. Now solution, the given fractions are like fractions, so write their numerators from the smallest to the greatest to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Ascending order is 2 is less than 7 is less than 9 is less than 11 is less than 13. Thus 2 by 15 is less than 7 by 15 is less than 9 by 15 is less than 11 by 15 is less than 13 by 15. Write the numerators from the greatest to the smallest to arrange the fraction in descending order. Descending order is 13 is greater than 11 is greater than 9 is greater than 7 is greater than 2. Thus 13 by 15 is greater than 11 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15 is greater than 7 by 15 is greater than 2 by 15. Now ordering of unlike fractions. Now example 1, arrange 1 by 4, 2 by 3 and 3 by 8 in ascending order. Solution, the given fractions are unlike fractions. Find the LCM of their denominators, that is 4, 3 and 8. LCM of 4, 3 and 8 is 24. Now convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Now 1 by 4 is multiplied by 6, it becomes 6 by 24. 2 by 3 is multiplied by 8, it becomes 16 by 24. 3 by 8 is multiplied by 3, it becomes 9 by 24. Now compare the numerators of like fractions obtained to arrange them from the smallest to the greatest. Now ascending order is 6 by 24 is less than 9 by 24 is less than 16 by 24. Thus 1 by 4 is less than 3 by 8 is less than 2 by 3. Now no more. Always ensure that the fractions being compared have the same denominator. Now in text exercise 4, question number 1, write the fractions based on the given figures, then compare and put the correct sign greater than, less than or equals to. Now A part. Total 4 parts, 2 are colored, 2 by 4. Total 4 parts, 3 are colored. Which is greater? So 2 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं, बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next question number 2. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order. A part, 4 by 11, 10 by 11, 1 by 11, 9 by 11. Now they are like fractions. Now arrange their numerators in ascending order. That is 1 by 11, then 4 by 11, then 9 by 11, then 10 by 11. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अरेंज द गिवन फ्रैक्शंस इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. A part, 2 by 5, 9 by 5, 4 by 5, 11 by 5. They are like fractions. arrange their numerators in descending order. Now the greatest one is 11 by 5, then 9 by 5, then 4 by 5, then 2 by 5. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट, एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. एडिशन ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. एग्जांपल 1, ऐड 5 by 7 and 1 by 7. Solution, 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Since the given fractions are like fractions, add the numerators and write the common denominator. That is 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7, that is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 by 7. Now example 2, add 2 by 10, 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. Solution, 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 10 is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 9 by 10. Now find and write. Why is finding a common denominator necessary for adding and subtracting fractions? So we can easily add or subtract the fractions. Now next is addition of unlike fractions. Example 1, add 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. Solution, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Since the given fractions are unlike fractions, find the LCM of their denominators to find a common denominator. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now change each fraction to an equivalent fraction. 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 is 3 by 12. 1 by 6 multiplied by 2 is 2 by 12. Thus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 is 3 by 12 plus 2 by 12 is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 12. Now example 2, add 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. Solution, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Since the given fractions are unlike fractions, find the LCM of their denominators to find a common denominator. Now the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now 1 by 3 is multiplied by 5, it becomes 5 by 15. 2 by 5 multiplied by 3, it becomes 6 by 15. Thus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 is equals to 5 by 15 plus 6 by 15 is equals to 5 plus 6 is equals to 11 by 15. Now addition of mixed fractions. Example 1, add 5 is to 1 by 3 and 2 is to 2 by 9. Solution, 5 is to 1 by 3 plus 2 is to 2 by 9. Convert the mixed fraction to improper fractions. Now 5 is to 1 by 3 is, that is 5 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 is 15 plus 1 16 upon 3. 2 is to 2 by 9 is 2 into 9 plus 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20 by 9. Find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. Convert each fraction to an equivalent fraction. 6 by 3 is multiplied by 3, it becomes 48 by 9. 20 by 9 is already in the correct form. Now add the fractions. 48 by 9 plus 20 by 9 is 48 plus 20 is 68 by 9. Convert the improper fraction back to a mixed fraction, that becomes 7 is to 5 by 9. Thus, the sum of 5 is to 1 by 3 and 2 is to 2 by 9 is 7 is to 5 by 9. Now, addition of a whole number and a fractional number. Example 1, add 3 and 2 by 5. Solution, 3 plus 2 by 5. 3 is a whole number, so we can write it as a fraction with a denominator 1. Thus, 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Now, the denominator are 1 and 5. The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now, convert 3 upon 1 to a fraction with the denominator 5. Now 3 upon 1 multiplied by 5 becomes 15 by 5. Now add the fractions. 3 1 plus 2 by 5 is equals to 15 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is 15 plus 2 is equals to 17 by 5, that is equals to 3 is to 2 by 5. Thus 3 plus 2 by 5 is 3 is to 2 by 5. Now properties of addition of fractions. First, fractions can be added in any order as the sum always remains the same. Second, the sum of fractions and 0 is always the fraction itself. Next, 3 fractions can be added by adding 2 fractions and then adding the third to the sum obtained. Now, in text exercise 5, question number 1, add the following fractions, also shade the boxes to show the total. A part, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is equals to 2 by 3. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next, question number 2, find the sum of the given fractions. That is A part, 2 by 9 and 6 by 9. Both are like fractions. So 2 by 9 plus 6 by 9, 2 plus 6 upon 9, that is 8 upon 9. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next, question number 3, A part. Sarah is baking cookies and needs 3 by 4 cup of sugar. for one batch and 2/3 cup of sugar for another batch. How much total sugar does she needs? 3/4 plus 2/3. Now convert them into like fractions. Now LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now 3/4 multiplied by 3 is 9/12. 2/3 is multiplied by 4. It becomes 8/12. Now 9/12 plus 8/12 is 9 plus 8 upon 12, that is 17/12. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is subtraction of fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. Example 1. Subtract 4/7 from 10/7. Solution. 10/7 minus 4/7. Since both fractions are like fractions, find the difference of their numerators and write the common denominator. Thus 10/7 minus 4/7 is 10 minus 4 upon 7 is equals to 6/7. Now subtraction of unlike fractions. Example 1. Subtract 3/21 from 7/14. Solution. 7/14 minus 3/21. Here the denominators are 21 and 14. The LCM of 21 and 14 is 42. Find the equivalent of the two fractions with denominators equal to their LCM. 7/14 multiplied by 3 is 21/42. 3/21 multiplied by 2 is 6/42. Therefore, 7/14 minus 3/21 is 21/42 minus 6/42. 21 minus 6 is equals to 15/42. Now reduce 15/42 to its lowest term. So 15/42 both are divided by 3. It becomes 5/14. Thus 7/14 minus 3/21 is 5/14. Now properties of subtraction of fractions. First, the difference of a fraction and 0 is always the fraction itself. The difference of a fraction when subtracted from itself gives 0. Now in text exercise 6, question number 1. Subtract the following fractions. Also shade the boxes to show the difference. Now A part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 upon 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 minus 3 is 4/9. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4/9. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस. ए पार्ट. 2/9 from 5/6. 5/6 minus 2/9. Now LCM of 6 and 9, that is 3 2s are 6, 2s are 18. 5/6 multiplied by 3 is 15/18 and 2/9 is multiplied by 2. It becomes 4/18. Now 15/18 minus 4/18 is equals to 15 minus 4/18 is equals to 11/18. So answer is 11/18. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Solve the following word problem. A part. Sheena has a garden divided into 3 sections. She plants vegetables in 1/3 of the garden, flowers in 1/4 of the garden and leaves the rest empty. What fraction of her garden is empty? Now, vegetable and flowers, that is 1/3 plus 1/4. So, 1/3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4/12 and 1/4 multiplied by 3, it becomes 3/12. Now, 3 plus 4 is 7/12. On 7/12 parts are planted with vegetables and flowers. Now total is 3/1 minus 7/12. Now 12 3s are 36 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12. 36 minus 7 upon 12, that is equals to 29/12. So 29/12 or 12 2s are 24. 2 is to 5/12 parts are empty. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ प्रोजेक्ट टाइम. ब्रिंग सिंपल रेसिपीज एंड work in group to measure and mix their ingredients using fractions, adjust each recipe by adding or subtracting fractions of the ingredients, and create a class recipe book. Now let's put it together. First, when an object or a group of objects is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. Next, each fraction is written with two numbers, one above the other, separated by the dividing line. The number above the line is the numerator and the number below the line is the denominator. Next, equivalent fractions represent the same part of the whole. Next, a fraction is in its lowest form when the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. Next, like fractions have the same denominator while unlike fractions have different denominators. Proper fractions have numerators smaller than their denominators while improper fractions have numerators greater than or equal to their denominators. Next, unit fractions have 1 as the numerator. Next, mixed fractions are a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Next, for like fractions, the fractions with the larger numerator is the larger fraction. Next, to compare unlike fractions, we convert them to like fractions and then compare their numerators. Next, to compare mixed fractions, we compare their whole number parts first. If the whole number parts are the same, then we compare the fractional parts. Next, to arrange like fractions in ascending order, we arrange the numerator from the smallest to the greatest. To arrange like fractions in descending order, we arrange the numerators from the greatest to the smallest. Next, for unlike fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Next, the sum of like fractions is found by adding their numerators and keeping the common denominator. Sum of like fractions is equal to sum of numerators upon common denominator. Next, to find the sum of unlike fractions, we first convert them to like fractions and then find their sum. Next, the difference of like fractions is found by subtracting their numerators and keeping the common denominator. Difference of like fractions is difference of numerators upon common denominator. Next, to find the difference of unlike fractions, we first convert them to like fraction and then find their difference. तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.